Hey guys, in honor of the 4th of July, today we're experimenting with fireworks and Rubik's Cubes. So I have my old Moyu Long, and we've strapped it to this little firework car, and so that's what we're going to do first. Let's do it. It didn't move because it's on plywood. Okay, so the car did not move. Maybe it's too heavy from the cube, but it doesn't look like it's moving. Okay, so it looks like it started to singe it a little bit back on the back of it, but it's mostly fine because it didn't move. So they're all strapped in to the cube. You got all four? Holy cow! Oh my goodness, this thing is wrecked. That was awesome. Okay, so we've peeled off all the tape, and this is what's left. It kind of totally melted all of this. It's insane. But some of the parts where the tape was managed to survive. Oh, it still turns! Yes! Amazing! Awesome! Okay, so now we have this massive thing, and it's rather fitting that the title of this firework is The Mastermind, because we're gonna put a Rubik's Cube on top. We cut open the top, and let's stick this on here. Alright, now that's perfectly on top, and we will light it up. Okay, so here it is. It's it's looking pretty bad. Yeah, it's in bad shape. It still, does it still turn? Parts of it still turn. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. But it's pretty crazy. That's awesome. Alright, guys.
Alright, so this poor Rubik's Cube here just barely offset the balance of our little floaty spinner tub here. And so it didn't spin much, but the sparks went everywhere and it looked pretty good. And so the pro tip today is put your fountains or any sort of fireworks up on a table, a wall, a ladder, a chair, somewhere higher. So the sparks that start to fall, there's more in the air, it looks prettier. Parker's pro tip.